Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here, and St. Patty's Day is right around the corner. You got your green sweater on.
Got my green sweater
on. So we got the traditional corned beef.
Right. So yeah. So corned beef is a brisket. Needs to be tenderized. So kind of 4 ways to make this brisket very tender. The slow cooker, which I love, and St. Patty's Day is on a Tuesday, so set the slow cooker in the morning.
Just let it run.
Yeah, you could use your pressure cooker, like your Instant Pot, your electric pressure cooker, or simmer it on the stove top. Be careful there, don't boil it for like 2.5 hours, simmer it, or put it in the oven. I did this one in the oven, so I just put in a couple cups of water, the seasoning packet, and then I took my big roasting pan and I actually covered it with foil and pinched it real tight.
So you use
instead of the lid.
You put this right on the meat?
Yeah, sprinkle that in with water. Now you can use beer. We have a recipe that calls for apple cider. You can check out the website for all different recipes. But I just did a traditional corned beef in the water, so you really taste that corned beef flavor. And then at the end, I put a little bit of honey and Dijon mustard on top, and then you could broil it just a minute and get a glaze on top. And then I boiled some veggies on the side, just on the stove top, and then I drizzled them with butter, Dijon mustard, and fresh dill.
Cabbage, potatoes, carrots, all the
traditional recipe. Okay, so then I have a pot pie. So this does not use corned beef. It has flat iron steak in it. So if you're Irish, but maybe you don't like corned beef, so try this. It's called the St. Pat's pot pie. So I just browned up some sliced flat iron steak, about 1.5 pounds, and then made like a homemade gravy with some cornstarch and beef broth and some frozen carrots, frozen peas, some cremini mushrooms, and then this is just a refrigerated pie crust. I'm a cook, not a baker. I don't bake pie crust, so I bought it in the store, and then just put a little fresh thyme on the top. Bake it in a 300 or 425 degree oven about 20 minutes.
So not a skillet? In
your skillet or in a pie pan, whatever you have.
Oven safe.
Oven safe, right. So it's a really fun St. Pat's beef pot pie.
It is fun.
Turn it
there we go.
So beeftips.com is our website. So right now, this whole month, we have a link to all of our Irish-inspired recipes. We've got these right there too, and we've got them really nice so you can print them off and cook them at home for St. Patty's Day. It's less than 2 weeks away.
Plenty of time to get ready. All right.
Yeah.
Happy St. Patty's Day.
Thank you. You too.